Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Lenovo Chromebook. If you can able to log in on your Chromebook or you can access the setting, first you need to open the setting. Then after click the time in the bottom right corner, then select the setting gear icon. Search for the reset in the settings menu. You can type reset in the search bar or scroll down to the advanced, then after go to reset setting option. Select the Powerwash from that menu. Click on Powerwash or reset, then follow the on your screen prompts to restart and confirm the reset. Your Chromebook will erase all your user account and local data, returning its original factory state. If you cannot log in or device want to start, so you have to first come to the login screen. If your password is forget kind of thing, press and hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift and R together. Choose restart option. When prompt is appear, select Powerwash option and then tap on continue. The device will reset and reboot. Please remember your data will be disappear from this method. If your device won't boot normally, you have to go to the recovery mode. First you need to shut down the Chromebook completely. Press and hold ESC and refresh key on your keyboard. It could be circular arrow kind of thing. Then press the power button. Keep holding ESC and refresh until you see the recovery screen. On the recovery screen, some devices show options like Powerwash or factory reset kind of thing. Use the arrow keys to select and then press enter. You have to follow the remaining prompts to erase all data and reset the device. Wait for the process to finish. Setup screen will be appear when it is done. This method also completely delete your data. For troubleshooting hardware issues, you have to hard reset. So first you need to turn off the Chromebook, then press and hold refresh and tap power button on your Chromebook. Release refresh when the Chromebook start up. This will hard reset your Chromebook. So these are the methods you can try to reset the Lenovo Chromebook. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.